Alright everybody, welcome back to another GR Knives video. So today for you guys I have a knife restoration video. So this is a knife I found at a flea market the other day. So this is a vintage Remington Scout knife. So you can see the blades pitted really bad, but it don't really bother me. I've been wanting one of these Remington Scout knives, so I went ahead and bought this one. So I bought about eight knives for $100, so it came out about $12.50 a piece. So I basically paid $12.50 for this knife. So there's that blade, and then the screwdriver and bottle opener, they're still in really good condition. And then the can opener right there. Then the real main issue with this knife, which you usually find on Scout knives, is the awl is snapped off. So I might fix it, I might not, might just leave it just so it's kind of more, I don't know, I don't really want to mess it up too much. Don't really want to clean this knife up a whole lot. I just kind of want to get it, some of the rust knocked off of it, like this right here. It's rusted pretty good, and get the back springs and everything cleaned up. So, and I think I'm also going to reprofile that tip, just make it a little bit pointier. So if you guys want to watch, stay tuned. Alrighty, so right now I just got this polishing wheel right here. So we'll just take this to the back springs and the brass just to shine it up a little bit. Got the back springs and brass cleaned up pretty good right there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this steel wool and knock this off of the bolsters of it. So I don't really know what it is. So I'm just going to knock that off there, kind of polish up the bolsters a little bit. So I'm not really too sure how old this knife is. You can't really see the tang stamp on the knife real great, but I think it might be the awl. You can see it pretty good on. So hopefully I can show you guys. You can see it's a circle, so it's, might be able to read a little bit Remington in it, hopefully. But like I said, I'm not too sure how old this knife is. I just bought it because here lately I've been getting to the Scout knives. I seen Terry had an old Richards Sheffield Scout knife, and instead of an awl, it had a fish hook remover and a scaler on it. I thought that was pretty cool. I have quite a few old Scout knives, so if you guys want to see some videos on them, let me know. If you guys have any video ideas or anything you want me to do. Also, let me know about that, because I want to make content that you guys want to watch. So, and I like doing these projects, just finding old knives and cleaning them up. So we'll polish up these bolsters real quick. Okay, so I think that is good right there. Wipe off the polishing compound. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this polishing wheel. I want to try polishing this up a little bit. I'm going to test it on that to see if I want to try it to the blade or not. Alrighty, so got this right here. So I'm not really too sure what somebody put this knife through, but you can see the blade right there is pitted, and then on the other side the screwdriver's pitted like that. So I'm not really too sure what this knife was into. So I don't know if it laid in a bucket of water or what, but it'll be fine. I plan on packing it in a cup a little bit, but it'll mainly be for my collection of scout knives. So I'm gonna keep on working on this, take this to the blade some, see if I can do anything to it. So that didn't really do nothing. I'm going to take some of this steel wool right here, see if that does anything to it. So I think that's probably about as good as I'm going to get it right there. So that, and then the can opener doesn't really need any cleaning on it. It still looks really good. So, and then this awl, I'm not really too sure what to do with it yet. I might re-profile it a little bit. I might not. I'll just have to think on it. But so right now, I'm going to take this over here to my belt sander and re-profile the tip, just to give a little bit more of a point to it. But I'm not going to bring the camera over there just because I don't feel like moving it all over the place. So I'll catch back with you guys when I get done. Alright, so I got it right here. Didn't do a whole lot to it. I just kind of wanted to get more of a tip put back on it. So now I am going to take this Dremel and hit the shield for a second. Get all this compound off of me. So there's that. And this knife looks like the hole for the bail that would have went on it. Looks like it's filled up. So I don't know if they didn't like it having a bail on it or what, but so there it is right now. I haven't decided if I'm gonna fix the awl or not. I might. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fix the awl. So the way I'm going to do that, first I'm gonna take this to and see if I can brush off some of that rust. I don't think it is. We'll try one more thing, and hopefully, I don't know if this is gonna work good or not, but I'm gonna try it. Hopefully don't turn it brass colored. Yep, it did. So, not gonna do that. So I'm just going to re-profile the tip on it, kind of get that little nick out of it. Okay, so I knocked the little sharp edge off of it where it got snapped, so I think that is all I'm going to do to it for right now. So it's not sharp. I might sharpen it, might not, but there's that. I for sure still need to sharpen the blade from where I fixed that tip, and it just needed sharpened anyway, so I'm going to not do that in this video. I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to sharpen it on my work sharp, just so it's more, I think it's more precise. So I'm going to I just noticed that little chip, and I'm going to leave that in it. I don't think it's really going to bother anything. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you guys like my channel, hit the subscribe button. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.